Hey guys, welcome to part 4 of our branding series. And trust me, you have clicked the right video because today we are doing something super fun. We are going to design packaging designing for of our product like the box you see in the store, and we are going to make something cool adds images too. So yeah, this video is going little bit longer than usual but totally worth it. If you are starting as a designer, please hit the subscribe button right now because I am going to show you step by step how to make packaging that look completely different from everything else. Alright, no more waiting. Let's jump in. Okay, so very first thing we need is something called a dialine. Think of it like flat blueprint of the box. It show you where to fold and cut. I already found one online, so I'll drop the link below if you want the same one. Now I'm going to trace it. I'll split this part so we don't sit here forever. Now let's create what's called the trim line and design area. This basically tells us the safe zone where all our artwork should stay in so nothing gets cut off when the box is printed. Then I'll go to object panel, click on the paths, then offset the path, and I'll change the color so it's easier to see. I'll select the square, go to object, then path, then offset the path again. This time I'll use -4 mm. Alright, our dialine is all set. Now the fun part. Let's design. Now instead of sitting and thinking of names for 20 minutes, let's just ask ChatGPT to generate some sense name for us. Once we have the name, we'll write the content that goes on the packaging. And here it is, our final packaging design in three different scents. Look pretty good, right? Now it's time to create our ad images. And for this, I'm using Gemini to generate the visuals. You can use any image tool you like, totally up to you. Here's how it works. First, give it reference image so it understands the vibe you're going for. Then add your actual product image and then write your prompt. Basically just describe what you want the image to look like. Hit generate and let AI do its thing. It's honestly that simple. And that's a wrap for today, guys. I really hope you learned something cool. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite part of this video? I love to know. If you want more videos where we mix AI with design, make sure you are subscribed. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in next video.